This is a CR system cassette that can be used to easily view the radiography image on the computer using the CR system. This black area is where the patient's body parts are placed for the image to appear on the CR system. This part that I'm opening is the main part of the cassette of the CR system, which consists of chemicals materials. As soon as X-rays are irradiated on the black area, create a temporary image, which the CR system, after separating it from the cassette frame and outside, pulling it and bringing it into the CR machine, and laser light passing through the screen and recording the image by the device scanner. The image of the patient's body part is displayed to the system. This part is the lock of the screen to remain fixed inside the frame, which is opened by the CR system, and in the last step, after erasing the image, it is closed by the device by shining a lot of light on the screen and raising it inside the frame. This is the compartment inside the cassette, where the front part of the image display screen is made of a sponge-like material to protect it from impact. When we want to test the cassette, we put a series of accessories on the black area of the cassette and use X-ray to irradiate it, and then insert the cassette into the CR system. Good luck, and please subscribe me.